Hi, my name is Brian and I'm the 3D print creator, and in this video I'm going to answer a question that is taught me a lot of times. A lot of people ask if it's possible to print materials like ABS, for example, in a printer that doesn't have an enclosure around it. And well, the normal answer would be no. ABS has a tendency to warp, and this warping results in prints breaking loose from the print bed or prints splitting apart, because ABS is that strong that it can even break mid-print. So yes, these are things that are going to happen when you're printing in ABS, and I've got a very old video in which I explain how to solve these problems. But that was on the DaVinci Pro machine, and well, a lot of you know that I don't use that machine anymore, at least not in this way. I built a new printer inside that enclosure. But yes, I have got ABS printers that are printing in an enclosure. That said, when you're printing small parts, it will be possible to print without a heated enclosure, and the way you can do so is by using something that makes the print stick to the bed very good. I use Filabond for it. Filabond is a material that gives great adhesion between the print and the print bed, and especially when used on glass. So when you're printing on glass, then Filabond is really very good to use. Now, when you're printing ABS, then 5 to 8 layers thick, you can print without any heat in your enclosure, or even without any heat on your print bed. So yes, you will be able to print ABS that way. Note, however, that ABS is warping, and if you're printing bigger parts than only a few layers high, then well, you will see that you get problems. So is it possible to print ABS without a heated enclosure? No, it won't be possible unless you're going to print things that are not that high, maybe 1 or 2 millimeters in height, and then you have to stop. And then you will be perfectly able to print ABS parts with Filabond on your print bed, and make sure to print slowly. So this is my advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. If you like this video, then please of course give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and tell all your friends about it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye!